welcome back to our channel. Captain Rush here with Local Knowledge TV. Today I'm going to talk to you about the Snell knot. A great application for the Snell knot is circle hooks. It helps that circle hook just kind of turn and get that fish right in the corner of the mouth, just like it's meant to do. The first step to tying the Snell, super easy. Now, I'm right hand dominant. I'm going to hold the hook in my right hand. I'm going to take my 80-pound Seaguar Blue Label fluorocarbon and I'm going to push it straight up through the bottom of the eye of the hook. I have my tag end right here and I'm just holding it, pinching it off right here. Everything's really nice and comfortable for me. I'm just going to take the end of that tag line and I'm going to come back to the eye of the hook. I have everything pinched off between my thumb and my pointer finger. Next step is super easy. You're just going to take this line right here, this loop, and I'm going to wrap around the shank of the hook. I want to make sure I'm wrapping up towards the eye of the hook. 2, 3, 4, 5. Pinched off right there. Now to end it, super simple. I'm just going to pull that tag line through as I'm pinching it, and you can see that Snell is basically formed right there. Okay? Now I'm just going to pull it tight. Make sure it slides up to the eye of the hook. Snug it down a little bit more. I'm going to trim it. And there you have it, the Snell. I use this knot for a lot of applications. I use this knot when I'm sail fishing, putting my tournament circle hooks on my leaders. I use this knot when I'm bottom fishing. Anytime I'm using a circle hook, I'm pretty much going to Snell it.